President Joe Biden is proposing sweeping changes to the Supreme Court, calling on changes to things like term limits, presidential immunity, and a code of ethics for our highest court. But these proposals are not being embraced by everyone. WENY Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp reports.
In an opinion piece in the Washington Post written by President Joe Biden, he writes, quote, "This nation was founded on a simple yet profound principle. No one is above the law," end quote. Without mentioning names, Biden hints at a recent challenge from former President Donald Trump about presidential immunity and the case against Trump accusing the former president of trying to overturn a 2020 election, which led to the January 6th U.S. Capitol attack. The court recently ruled that presidents are granted immunity from prosecution for official acts. Biden says the office of the presidency tests not only your judgment, but your character, too.
Because you not only face moments when you need the courage to exercise the full power of the presidency, you also face moments where you need the wisdom to respect the limits of the power of the office of the presidency.
Biden claims what is happening at our highest court is not normal, referencing to the court overturning a nearly 50-year precedent of Roe v. Wade, which legalized abortions, and questions about the court's ethics cloud over it, following reports of justices not disclosing luxury gifts or their family members' alleged actions displaying politically provocative flags. He is now proposing major changes to the court. The first, a constitutional amendment that would prohibit blanket immunity for presidents. In addition to that, he is also calling on 18-year term limits for justices, as well as a code of ethics for the court. Members in the large Congressional Progressive Caucus are endorsing the changes, saying in part this is a strong step towards restoring public trust those justices have broken. Speaker of the House Mike Johnson disagrees. He says in part these proposals are efforts to undermine the court and that Democrats want to change the system because they disagree with some of the court's recent decisions. At the Supreme Court, Rachel Knapp, WENY News.